Shopify order confirmation emails are key for customer satisfaction. Access them via settings greater than notifications in your Shopify admin. Start with Shopify's default templates, which are HTML-based. To customize, use liquid variables, dynamic placeholders that auto-populate order details like order number, customer.firstname, and line items. These variables ensure accuracy and personalization, reducing errors and improving the customer experience. For example, shop name and shop.email add store details dynamically. For advanced customization, consider using Shopify's revamped email editor, released in late 2024, which features a drag-and-drop interface for real-time previews and mobile responsiveness. You can access pre-built templates and modify them without needing to code. But if needed, advanced users can still use liquid templating for deeper customization. Consistency is key for a recognizable brand. Upload your logo, set color schemes, and fonts to match your store's theme. Add store policies like return instructions for transparency. Preview emails on desktop and mobile to ensure responsiveness, crucial as 60% of emails are opened on mobile devices. To maximize the impact of your order confirmation emails, focus on personalization. Use customer data from previous purchases or preferences to dynamically populate content within the email. You can also use liquid conditionals to show different messages for first-time versus returning customers. Add eco-friendly messaging to align with consumer values. This approach can lead to a 35% higher click-through rate compared to default emails. It is important to stay compliant with GDPR and CCPA by including opt-in language and data minimization prompts.